I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by opening the built-in screenshot tool with Shift-Command 5. This immediately exposes capture modes and options. Make sure you've granted screen recording and microphone access in System Settings so recordings will work. Select whether you need the entire screen, a single window, or a selected portion. Pick the smallest region that contains your content to reduce post-editing. Once done, position windows and hide menus you don't want captured, so your initial capture is clean and ready. Once the toolbar is visible, click Options to control where files save, whether to use a 5 or 10-second timer, and whether to show a floating thumbnail. Make sure to enable your microphone if you need narration, otherwise recordings will be silent. Choose whether to show mouse clicks and set video quality. Higher quality means larger files. If you plan multiple captures, select Remember Last Selection to speed repetition. Then press Record or click Capture, depending on the mode you chose. To finish, click the Stop button in the menu bar or press Command-Control-ESC to end a recording. Screenshots appear where you chose to save them. Use the floating thumbnail to trim, annotate, or share immediately. For more editing, open the file in QuickTime or Photos. Export with a compressed format if you need smaller files. If something goes wrong, make sure screen recording and microphone permissions are enabled in Settings. Then relaunch the screenshot tool or reboot. That resolves most permission-related issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.